Y'all, now one thing about this hair, it is drier than the Sahara girl. She a runner, she a track star. I was tussling with this one. This unit's a bit much, y'all. Let's be honest.
Cut my check, come and fill the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Nothing like the peace of mind defining my being. Seeing is believing, and I'm speaking what I'm breathing. Seek what they hide, meet their demise. Sleep with the lies, greet their disguise. Reap what you sow when you know you're exposed. Creep on the low, then you go and impose. Even time can't tell me what to do. Hopping in my mind, what's been up with you? You reside in the bride of the new. Everything you hide been defying the truth, denying the proof. I can see the lies in your eyes like a bruise, hiding the clues. Everything you hide been defying the truth. Time don't stop for no man or woman. Climb to the top, but let the drop make you Norman. Live within your thoughts until you're lost inside of nothing. Take a couple shots, I got a pocket full of something. Would you rather elevate or perpetrate your sadness? Would you rather escalate or resonate your madness? Tell me what's the status? Where's your apparatus? When you live erratic, can't be scared to feel the static. Even time can't tell me what to do. Hopping in my mind, what's been up with you? You reside in the bride of the new. Everything you hide been defying the truth, denying the proof. I can see the lies in your eyes like a bruise, hiding the clues. Everything you hide been defying the truth.
And welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a unit from the Sensational Whatlace collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Rashana and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plugged. It does come with baby hairs. It does come with 13x6 parting space and HD lace. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. As you can see, I did not go crazy with the baby hairs because I wanted you to see what this hairline's looking like. I feel like this is not given sensational standards, to be honest. Like, I feel like this is not anywhere near as plucked as a lot of their units usually are. So I was definitely highly disappointed with that. Like, it's workable, whatever, but this is not what I'm looking for when I'm looking for an easy throw on a go pre-plucked unit, especially when I'm looking at the Sensational Whatlace collection, because I feel like the Sensational Whatlace collection always does what it should be doing for the most part when it comes to plucking their units. But this one, honey, is just not given for me. Like I said, it's workable, definitely, but I don't know. They got to get it together with this one because it is not as plucked as a lot of their other Sensational Whatlace units. So the length on this one is 26 inches and I am 5'3" for reference. Let me just give you guys a length check. So it is coming like just below my boobs. And as y'all can see, the hair is looking a little bit old. I just wanted to give you guys an honest and open review. I have been wearing this unit for 5 days because I wanted to see if this was going to be like an everyday type of wig. And to be honest, it is holding up a little bit better, honestly, than I expected it to. Since it is on the silkier side, I thought it was going to be a hot mess. But I'm surprised it's holding up much better than I thought it would. But definitely do note, y'all, this one is leaning more towards the silky side. It does have yuckiness in there. The more that you wear it, it does kind of dry out some more, and it does kind of mimic yucky more closely when it starts to get older. But definitely do note, y'all, with that, the tangling and the shedding was real. It still is real. I did go in with my Simply Style and Pure Silicone Spray, which usually is super great at reviving units and kind of just minimizing that tangling and shedding. But honey, it's still tangling. It's still shedding. So even though I have been using this as everyday hair, I would not say that this is everyday hair. just simply because of the tingling and the shedding. And I do feel like the texture itself, even if this was to be cut down, I wouldn't necessarily see this as being everyday unit. It definitely got drier a lot quicker than I would have expected it to. Definitely did pick up on the tingling and shedding a lot quicker than I would want it to. So I do definitely feel like this is going to be a cute look if it's like special occasion or something. I feel like if you're wearing this for a couple hours, whatever, no big deal. But if you're looking to wear this unit every day, honey, it's not gonna last long, like I said. And it looks probably on the camera like, oh, that's pretty cute, it's pretty good, but girl, like, it is dry. Let me come in. It is dry, honey. It doesn't look as dry as it is, but you could definitely see more than anything on these ends, girl. It is dry. It is drier than the Sahara, girl. Like, so this unit is also heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees, so you can definitely go in and add heat to this one. As far as the cap size is concerned, I want to say this is definitely small and medium head friendly, possibly big head friendly. My head is 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and I feel like it's fitting my head pretty well, and the cap does have some stretch, but I definitely would just be a little bit weary. So I do feel like you could get away with wearing it if you do have a larger size head, but I'm not so sure about you being able to take advantage of the ear-to-ear lace, if that makes sense. So definitely just be cautious when it comes to this unit. The density on this one is definitely like 150% at least. I feel like you could definitely get some more density going. Like, look at that. You could definitely get some more density out of this one. And y'all know I am a big hair don't care type of girl. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My first con off the bat is going to be the hairline. When it comes to a sensational unit, like I said, the What Lace collection, I always have an expectation of what the hairline should look like because of what they have given me in the past. This hairline just isn't cutting it for me. I don't think I'm being picky. I don't feel like I'm being too much, especially because they've already set that bar for themselves. So the fact that they're not even surpassing their own bar is like a little bit disheartening to me, to be honest. So that's definitely going to be my first con when it comes to this unit. The tingling and shedding, like I said. I know it's a long synthetic curly unit, but I've had other units that are manageable. I mean, for instance, I was able to wear the Outre Julienne 24 unit for 2 weeks straight as my everyday hair with minimal tingling, minimal shedding, like minimal upkeep. So I feel like I know how to feel out if a unit's going to be good for every day, even if you're trying to go for a glam look or something like that. And this just is not it with the tingling and shedding I was getting. Also, side note, another con I'm going to have to say that I have with this unit is just it's a little bit thin on the top. It's been a little bit more trackage, and to the point where, y'all, I've been wearing this to work out and about, and I've been going out with a beret on just to be cautious because I don't like the feeling of feeling like a track is showing, or you can feel the track, or you can see the track. So definitely just a word to the wise, beware, y'all. It's a little thin on the top. My pros are going to be, I feel like the curls are super pretty, especially when it's straight out of the box. I do actually like the fact that, like I said, I've been wearing this every single day. I've been finger combing it, I've been brushing out the curls, and you can see these curls are pretty still on point. Like I said, I thought since it was more on the silkier side, maybe the curls wouldn't last, maybe it'd be more tingling, more shedding, but it wasn't that at all. So I do definitely like that the curls still got their body, like, you know, it ain't doing too much. Like, I do definitely appreciate the fact that the curls are still there, even though it's been consistent everyday wear, brushing, finger combing. So I definitely do like that. I think the density is really nice, so I definitely was here for that. Like, this is definitely a cute unit. I'm not necessarily disappointed that I picked it up, but if I were to pick it up again in the future, it would definitely be specifically for a certain look that I'm going for. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.